welcome to my channel once again. Today I shall show you the evaluation of an integral using Cauchy's integral formula and something derived from Cauchy's integral formula. Here you can see I have to evaluate this integration which is integration in C region. So e to the power 2z divided by g plus 1 whole to the power 4 dz, where C is the circle mod g is equal to 2. So before proceeding, you must remember the Cauchy's integral formula, which says suppose fz is a function which is analytical within and on a closed curve, and if a is a point within C, then we can write this f a is equal to 2 pi I 1 by 2 pi I integration over C f z dz divided by z minus a. That's it. Now suppose if we want to take derivative or differentiate the both sides, then what we can get? So f prime a, which is the first derivative of this function f a, so we can write this like this: f prime is equal to 1 by 2 pi I c, and this is a partial differentiation, so del a of f z divided by z minus a dz, which basically produces 1 by 2 pi I integration c f z f z divided by z minus a whole square dz. So similarly you can find double derivative. So f double dash a is equal to 1 by 2 pi I c, and that would be f z or f z z minus a whole cube dz. Hence you can say like f n a would be equal to 1 by 2 pi I c f z z minus a n plus 1 dz. So hope you have understood these things. I have used this Cauchy's integral formula and have done derivative with respect to a on both sides, and finally for nth order of derivative differentiation you can get this result. So I shall use this thing to evaluate our integral today. So let's see. So yeah, z mod z is 2. So today our fz is equal to e to the power 2z. This function is analytic within the circle C, which is basically g mod z is equal to 2, and you can see that this g minus 1, g equal to minus 1 also lies within C. So now I shall use this derivative things. So we can write now we have this f n a is equal to 1 by 2 pi I c f z z minus a n plus 1. So here our function is 4. So we can write if 3 a is equal to 1 by sorry, I forgot one thing. Here I have to write 2. Yeah, this should be, so this is 2 factorial. We can write this is 1 factorial, and that would be n factorial. Yeah, so I forgot this important thing, so please remember. So okay, this also n factorial. So here we can write it's as 3 factorial 2 pi I, and integration f z minus a whole to the power 4 dz, right? So here here we get integration c to the power 2z divided by z plus 1 whole to the power 4 dz is equal to 2 pi I by 6. Now we do this differentiation, d dz cube function is e to the power 2z, and our value is g is equal to -1. So we have to do this. So we can write pi I by 3 here, and after doing 3 times integration, clearly we can get 8 and e to the power 2z at z is equal to -1. So finally, after putting the values, we can write 8 pi I by 3, and this is e to the power -2. So this is the value for this integration. Hope you have understood, and please like my video if you have found this useful for you, and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks a lot.